Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the last video, we discussed about the linear equation in one variable. In that, we discussed what is equation, what is linear equation, and what is the general form of the linear equation. And we solved few example sums as well as in the exercise sums. Till question number 9 we did. So in this video, we can continue with the question number 10. Can see the question number 10. 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 20 is equal to x by 4 plus 32. So first we have to simplify this. 3x by 4, thus 1 by 4 has to multiply with x as well as 20. 1 into x is x divided by 4, minus into minus plus 20 by 4, that equals to x by 4 plus 32. Let's take out all x terms one side, numbers in another side. So here I can do cancellation. 4 ones are 4 5s are. So 3x by 4 minus x by 4 minus x by 4, that equal to 32 minus 5. So if we in the left hand side we have a fractions, we need to take the LCM. 4 4 4 4 denominator numbers. 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 2s are, again 2 1s are 1s are 1s are. So LCM is equal to 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 1s are. So here 3x minus x, that is equal to, we'll get 32 minus 5 is 27. So if I solve in the numerator, here 3x, if you have a same side you should add, you will get 2x divided by 4, that is equal to 27. This 4 has to multiply to right hand side, 27 into 4. In the numerator, 3x minus 2x is x, that is equal to 27 into 4. So x is equal to 108. Okay. Next, question number 11. 3a minus 1 by a equal to a by 5 plus 5 2 by 5. So here a is the variable. So let's take all a terms one side, constant another side. So a by 5 to the left hand side minus 1 by to the right hand side. 3a minus a by 5, that equal to, so you can, here we have a mixed fraction converted into improper. 25 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 27, 27 by 5, and this minus 1 by 5 becomes plus 1 by 5. So here also we have to take LCM. For 1 and 5 is the LCM. Divide by 5, divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, get cancelled, here 1. So 5 3s are 15a minus a. So in the right hand side again, denominator LCM is same. We have same number, 27 plus 1. 15a minus a is 14a by 5, and 28 divided by 5. This 5 will go to numerator and 14 will take it to denominator. So let's keep a in the same side. 28 by 5 into 5 by 14. 5 5 get cancelled. 14 ones are 14 twos are. So a is equal to 2. The value of a is 2. Let's see the 12th one. X by 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2, that equal to 4x by 9 minus 2x by 3. So here also we have x terms are there. Let's take it to one side. X by 3. So here we can convert it into 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Okay. So you can simplify here also, or you can take it to left hand side also. We can simplify. Let's simplify at a time. Let's write as it is. So now we're going to take all x terms one side. Plus becomes minus here plus 2x by 3. That is equal to 5 by 2. Constant is in another side. For 3 and 9 and 9, we should take the LCM. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 1s are 1 1. So LCM is 9. 9 divide by 9, divide by 9, divide by 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are 1s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 3x minus 4x 6x, that is equal to 5 by 2. So here 3x for 6x and 3x is 9x minus 4x by 9, that is equal to 5 by 2. So 9x minus 4x is 5x by 9, that equal to 5 by 2. So again we should take cross multiplication. X is equal to 5 by 2 into 9 will go to numerator, 5 will come to denominator, 5 get cancelled. The x value is 9 over 2. You can convert it into mixed fraction also. 2 4s are 8, 1 plus 1, 4 1 by 2 will be the answer. So next we'll solve the question number 13. Four into y plus 2 over 5, that equal to 7 plus 5y by 13. So let's multiply with 4. These two terms will get 4y plus 4 to 8 by 5, that equal to 7 plus 5y by 13. So in this case, we can simplify. All take out all y terms one side, numbers is another side. 4y by 5 and 8 by 5 we can split, and 7 plus 5y by 13. Okay. Now we can take 4y by 5 minus 5y by 13. 7 minus 8 by 5. So we need to take the LCM for 5 and 13. So 5 1s are 13 as it is. 13 1s are and 1s are. So LCM is equal to 13 into 5. So 5 3s are 15. 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 6. So we are getting 65. 65 and divide by 65. So here 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 3s are 13s are, it will go. So 13 5s are 65. So now 13 into 4 we should multiply, and 5 into 5 5s are 25 will get. So 13 into 4 will get 52. So 52 y minus 25 y. So for in the right hand side, 1 and 5, 5 is the LCM. 1 1s are 1 5s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 7s are 35 minus 8. From 52, if you subtract 25, we'll get 27. 52 minus this will get 27 y by 65, and 35 minus 8 will get again 27 by 5. So let's cross multiply this. 65 will go to numerator and 27 will come to denominator. We are calculating y value. 27 by 5 and 65 divided by 27. 27 ones are 27 ones are 5 ones are 5 30s are. So our y value is 13. This is how we have to solve the linear equations when it comes in the fractions or any binomial with monomial terms. We need to simplify first. I hope it is clear there. Next is 14th one. 14th one is a plus 5 by 6 minus a plus 1 by 9 equal to a plus 3 by 4. So here a is the variable. Let's take out all in one side. A plus 5 by 6 minus a plus 1 by 9 minus a plus 3 by 4, that equal to 0. So now for 6, 9 and 4, you should take LCM. For the denominator numbers, it will go by 2. 3s are 9 as it is, 2s are, again it will go by 2. 3 as it is, 9, 1s are, take 3, 1s are, 3s are, 1s are, 3, 1s are, 1s are, 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 12 3s are 36. So LCM is 36. 36 divide by 36, divide by 36, divide by 36. So it will go by 6 6 are 36, 9 1s are, 9 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 9s are. All this 6 has to multiply to numerator for both the numbers. 6 into a is 6a, 6 5s are 30. And this minus sign has to multiply for both the numbers. Along with you should multiply 4. Minus 4a minus a minus 9a minus 27, that equal to 0. Next, we'll take out all a terms. So here we have 6a, 4a and 9a. So 6a, 9a and 4a, same sign you can add. 9, 10, 13. And here we have 30 and minus 27, and here we have minus 4. So minus 27 and minus 4 will get it minus 31. Plus 30 minus 31 by 36, that equal to 0. So from the 13, so if you subtract 6, we'll get 7. 7 is minus 31 plus 30, we'll get minus 1. This 36 will multiply to right hand side. 0 into anything is, will get 0. Then take out the minus 1 to right hand side. 7a is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 1 over 7. So this is the value of a. So next, 15th one. So take it as few sums as homework. 2x minus 13 by 5 minus x by 3 by 11, x minus 9 by 5 plus 1. Okay. And 16th one, 6 times of 6x minus 5 minus 5 times of 7x minus 8 12 times of 4x minus x plus 1. Okay. So solve these questions, post answers in the comment box. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you all.